Hi, I'm Chef Raphael and welcome to another show. Now today's episode is our holiday meals edition. It's brought to you by Jikokoa. Now today we're making this Mukimo or Kienyeji. So many different names about it, but it's basically mashed potato with some greens and maize. I have maize inside, but you can also have maize and beans, which is technically called githeri. It's a really simple dish to make. So the trick when you have the potatoes is cut them small because they'll actually cook faster when they are cut small. Now, depending on the greens that you use, it will add flavor to your dish. I'll add salt. Now, the amount of salt should be not too much, but the water should taste salty. And the whole point is that you want to season the potatoes right now because this is the only salt that you'll add. So the potato is ready and I can tell, just need to take a fork and pierce into one. But before removing the potatoes from the water, it's a good idea to reintroduce the maize. Now the amount of maize that you use, you don't have to you can actually put less and then you can always add more later. Water is off. I've tasted the potato, the salt is enough. It's a good idea you taste it now because if you need to add more, you can always add more. I love black pepper, so I'm going to add some black pepper. All you need to do is to mash. And then at this point, I'm going to add the greens. A little at a time. You don't want it to be too green. So one final thing, I'll show you another trick. You can actually serve it as it is, but you can also add some fried onions to give it an even nicer flavor. The onion, slightly caramelized. You can put not too much. Show you how you can serve it, either plain, or you can also have it as with an accompaniment. Love the onions. Just scoop it in a bowl like that. And stuff it. So basically, I want it to mold into the shape of this bowl. And there you have it. I can smell the onions. If the onions, we have slightly less onion, it's still okay, but this is perfect. I'm signing out. I'm Chef Raphael, and until next time, goodbye.